my shoulder. But I mean, I flew back, and I'm good. I got up. Still got a chip negative. You got hit by the train? He got hit by a fucking train, right? What was that? Got hit by a fucking train.
I just saw something crazy. A guy got hit by a train and he told EMS that he was okay. He said that he got off the bus and he thought he was safe, that he'd be able to make it through. And even after getting hit with blood on his head, he said, "Hey, I'm okay. I don't need to go in."
I'm good.
So you sure you don't want me to just protect you? Okay.
I'm still walking, dude. Okay. And it did hit me. I thought I had enough clearance. You know what I'm saying?
You hit you in the shoulder?
It hit me right here on the shoulder. Boom. Okay, it's okay. I'm still walking. I'm still walking. Yeah, I'm happy you up. It's okay, man. I'm all good. It's a bad hit. It's gonna hurt tomorrow.
Hey, sir.
Yeah, man.
You all right?
Yeah, I mean, that's a bad hit. I walk on the train tracks all the time, but I thought I had enough clearance. You know what I'm saying? When I'm walking down, and I didn't.
Crazy, isn't it? Well, think about it. That's how a lot of people are with their finances. They make decent money, they have some investments, everything looks fine until something hits them. And then they realize they weren't as protected as they thought. So feeling safe isn't the same as having the right strategy and being protected. So let's talk about that.